Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for the week of January 9th through 15th and my HOBONICHI cousin. I almost forgot what planner I was in. And this week I will be decorating with one of my newest collections from my January release, the orchids. I really love the blue and green color palette, especially for winter because I still love florals even if it is winter. So let's get started. I was kind of undecided as to what to do at the top here, but I'm going to take the washi that's included in the quote and washi sticker sheet and literally just place that across the top here. Drop it. There we go. I know it's gonna just overlap a tiny bit. And then I know this one is not gonna be as long, but that's okay. I love the effect of this. It's like having a string of orchids just at the, I love that. I love that. And then I'm going to place one of the smaller circles down here with, I think, I'm gonna take this orchid. Ooh. And place that right there, like it's almost coming off the page, but not. Oh, I like that too. Okay, those are the main two things that I just wanted to do right now. Although now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, see, very quick, that first part. What I'm now gonna do is gonna zoom in here and work on that sidebar. Sidebar is normally very easy. I'm going to take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and brush letter in the word sleep, and then take one of my paint swatches and place it on top like that. Don't have to worry about finding a Tombow or a mild liner to match. It already matches with the rest of the spread. You hear my son playing in the background. I actually don't know what he's playing. He's just being very loud. And here is where I keep track of my sleep. So flip to the previous page here. I keep track of how many hours I sleep and then my sleep score, which as you can tell last week has not been very good. I really need to work on getting to bed earlier, but that was also the week that I was busy working on designs right up until like the day before the release. So I get my sleep scores directly from my Fitbit. And then underneath that, I'm still undecided about what to do because I am taking a break from weight training at the moment due to my shoulder. I've been in pain for quite a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave this as steps for now. And that is what I have been tracking in this space. So I write down how many steps I've been getting each day. And I used to track my steps in my yearly habit tracker, but I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm gonna do that here. So I'm gonna zoom out now. So then along the bottom of my spread, I brush letter in the word meals Monday through Sunday, and then use the orchid swatches as headers for each of those. And this is where I write down my meals every day. So now I'm going into the main section, and similar to what I did at the bottom, I'm going to take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, brush letter in the word work, and cover the words with my orchid swatches, and then using the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, drawing in the arrows of my work shifts. Now I can go in and work on some of the stuff that needs to go in here, but I just want to check. No, that doesn't match exactly. That's okay. So the fountain pen that I will be using for this spread is my Le Bon Rosa in lilac, and I feel like it matches so well with the colors of this spread. So go in here and just write things like kids first day back. We had a good long 2-week break here. And then to do be meal plan and order groceries as I normally do. The ink that I have in here is Colorverse Alpha PSCR Alpha Pisces. And then I'm going to do this. Put out garbage. And remembering that I have a acupuncture appointment at 8 o'clock. Trying to get my shoulder fixed. It's just, I don't know what's going on with it. I really don't. Okay, and then here, pick up groceries. Oh, I can hear the dog barking outside. And then here, 2 o'clock at Weight Watchers, Sherwood Park. And then I will be filming my weeks and cuts in. And then I'm just trying to think of what else I need to do. I'm exhausted already. I will put folding laundry here. Why am I not using emojis? I don't know. Let's pull them out. Because I really want to use all of these rather than just leave them and not use them, because I bought them, so might as well. All right, groceries. Plus that's cute. Okay, then fold laundry, unfortunately, I feel like, yeah, I didn't leave enough room for the fold laundry or even the put out garbage. Unless I just do the fold laundry with the big one like that. These Miss Moss ones are super cute. Why don't I just use this one from, I think this is from Pretty Cute Planner. Just do it like that. Then cleaning. Let's see, unfortunately, I don't have an icon small enough for the garbage, but cleaning, I'll put that on, well, really, what day do I want to put that on? I could put that on Sunday, although we have to leave for Henry's wall climbing. He's got wall climbing and ninja, both on the Sunday now. He's gonna be so exhausted, poor guy. And then Lucy has an appointment that day. So before I forget that, let's do Lucy's appointment. Where are all my doggy stickers? So I did have ones with grooming, didn't I? Let's just use Coffee Monsters Co. one. So for 12:30, Lucy at Hollywood. Grooming. Yes, the groomers is called Hollywood. I love it. And then I believe I am meeting my friend Adrian that day. I just don't know what time. Adrian, if you're watching this, what time are we supposed to meet? Because we're gonna go for coffee. I'm taking her out for coffee 2 weeks later after her birthday. And then we're gonna go to Stylist. So maybe if I won't put a set time, but I'll just put it, maybe I drop off Lucy and then meet Adrian. Yes, yeah, yes. Okay, what is a good emoji to put there? I think this one. I haven't used these yet. Woo. All right, so put that down here. And I'll put Coffee and Stylist with Adrian. All right. Then I actually have to double check in my work calendar whether I I decided to host. Nope, I did not, and I don't think I will. The weekend. Okay, then let's do Henry's. I'm already exhausted thinking about it. Okay, well, let's do the cleaning first. Just checking. This weekend, I'm doing bed linen, so it's just bathrooms, the cabinets and appliances in the kitchen. My husband does the windows and the vacuuming. We get Henry to go around picking up all the garbage bins, and I try to get him to dust, but I feel like that's wishful thinking. And then Robin helps out with the bathrooms, but she also does the light switches and the door handles, which is something we started to do since COVID. Okay, so then Henry, 11:30 to 12:30. Ninja. That's an @ symbol. And then it'll be 1:30 to 3. Henry at wall climbing. Okay, so really that's all that I know that needs to go in here beforehand. I feel like I have now a little bit more freedom to decorate. I feel like this quote, sorry, can be a little orchid sometimes, or, you know, awkward. I feel like that's very suitable for how I feel some days. Let's put it right there on Saturday, although I could have put it there with a tiny little orchid. Cute. And then I think what I'll do is actually put something in the middle as well. I normally cut it. Yeah, let's cut it. Any opportunity to use these pretty rose gold scissors, which I got off Amazon. Ooh. Sorry, that was loud. Put that here and other side here. Why do I do that? I do this because it helps with turning the pages and folding the pages so that it's not so bulky there. And then add on that side. Oh, I like that. And I have one more little one. So really, I've used a couple of circles, the quote and washi sheet, and a lot of swatches. Where am I going to put that? Oh, I know. I'm just going to put it right, although I feel like there's a lot there already. I could put the other one here, but it just feels too samey, and I don't want to do that. I think I have a blood donor's appointment that morning too. I need to check, but what if I don't know why this is so tough. It's like one little sticker. Why is it so tough to put down? There we go. All right, I'm gonna double check that appointment for my blood donation. So it is at 9:50. Blood donation. This is such a wet, right? Like it's a wet writing pen, but the ink is amazing. All right, that is it for me, I think. What do you guys think of this spread? It's not, I feel like it's not a lot of stickers, but then when you think about the paint swatches, it is a lot, but it's not overloaded with stickers. I think what is in here works. I will be doing a daily journaling spread for this week, but I will be using a different collection instead of the orchid collection. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. This collection is still available in my shop, and I've left the link in the description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.